I'm working on this car. I did this a while ago. I bought it, I don't know, last year, Timonium, I think. Maybe, I really can't remember. But this uh, Plumber's Model Club sells these. That's the Prince William County Model Railroad Club. And they sell these AccuRail kits. That's all it is. It's just an AccuRail kit. Really nice kit, though. I remember putting it together. It was all, you put the ends on separate. And I really like that fact because you could get to detailing inside really easy, right? You detail them all up. I remember a little bit about building it, but not everything. And I remember I tried to do something with the ends, and it was easier to do something else. I can't remember, but I put wheels on it. I think it came with plastic wheels, but and couplers. I put 158 couplers on it, and these are the wheels that I used. Intermountain 33-inch semi scale, and just checking to see if I was going to use those or 36. And with my coupler gauge, you see there. Let me put this back here so you can see better. My height is good with the 33-inch wheels. So what I'm going to do now, I think I'm done weathering. I got to touch it up, and here's the thing: I can't remember what I used to weather this. I really can't. I just don't remember. It has to be something on my bench, but I don't remember what colors they were. Uh, like, but I'll figure it out. But I'm gonna weather my trucks and my wheels, and this is what I'm gonna use. Model Air Rust 71080, I think that is. Right? Yeah. So I'm going to spray that in my spray airbrush. And I'll just do the trucks and do the wheels, and I'll show you when I'm done. And I think this car will be ready for the layout. So here we are, we're back. Just a real light rust on them. So make sure that you clean the point off, okay, when you're putting your wheels back together, okay? That's important. And I'm holding the wheel when I'm working with it. I even do the back. When I'm working with it, I hold the wheel by the flange so I don't get the make the paint come off. There you have it. So I was using the airbrush. I put some rust here and there, finished off a little bit, and I think I'm done. Really hard to see with the light, but yeah, I think I'm done with it. So don't be afraid to mess around with your airbrush uh, because you see, like up here, I did a little rust up there and a little bit down here and shaded some of the other spots. Sorry for the lighting, but it came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It's a heavy car, If you're at Timonium and the Prince William Model Train Club is there, stop by and pick up one of these. They did them in 2016. I don't think they have a ton of them left, but you know what? For $10, it helps the club, and it's a great car for $10. Can't beat the car. Hey, be well, be blessed. Hope I hope you try something like this. Don't be afraid to try something new. Okay?